How is it going everybody? Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today we have got here with us one of the most value for money smartphones that has launched in recent times, and it's the all new OnePlus Nord 6. As you guys can see, we got it in this holographic quicksilver color, which by the way has this unique frame across the edges that adds a nice touch to the overall look and feel. If you're planning to purchase the Nord 6, then I would highly recommend you go with this color because it does look quite unique compared to the other options available. Now coming to the front, it has a gorgeous 6.78 inch 1.5K resolution 165Hz AMOLED display with the peak brightness that can go all the way up to 3600 nits. On top of that, you also get very slim and symmetrical bezels all around. But what's more exciting is that this phone comes with a massive 9000 mAh silicon carbon battery that can easily last you 2+ days with a single charge, even if you're a heavy user like me. Plus, the performance also got a huge jump this year with the Snapdragon 8s Gen 4, which is again something that is really difficult to find on a 40,000 phone launching these days. And the best part, it can easily handle anything you throw at it. I mean, you get a powerful processor, a beautiful looking display, a gigantic 9000 mAh battery, and on the back you get 50 megapixel main and an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera that can take some stunning looking photos. The OnePlus Nord 6 not only has some great specifications and hardware, but also if you talk about the software experience, it is running the latest and greatest OxygenOS 16, which no doubt gives you one of the smoothest Android experiences with buttery smooth animations, but also packs some amazing features and customizations along with really useful AI tools. I'll talk more about all these incredible features and show you some useful tips and tricks that will help you get the most out of your brand new Nord 6. So stay tuned and watch this video until the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1500 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. Alright guys, starting things with some exclusive new features that OnePlus has started adding to their newly launched phones. As you can see, we now get this brand new plus key instead of the iconic alert slider that we used to get on older OnePlus devices. And let me tell you, this thing can do a lot more useful stuff. Now in order to configure the plus key, all you need to do is head over to your phone settings. If you scroll down, you get this all new option called plus key. When you go inside, you will be greeted with this beautiful interface, and I just love the way how they implemented this with cool animations. Here you can configure and assign the plus key to change the ringer mode, open the camera, toggle the flashlight, start voice recording or take screenshots. But what's even more interesting is that you can configure the plus key to activate something called mind space, which basically recognizes what's on your phone screen and add it as a memory. Let me quickly show you how this actually works. With just a simple press, it instantly recognizes what's on your screen, takes the screenshot and adds it to the mind space with the detailed AI summary. So if it's a conversation that has some meeting or event info, mind space will understand the context and create a calendar entry for you. Similarly, it also works on articles or a music track, or any of your ideas can be organized automatically with a quick summary. Then you can easily access them inside the Mindspace app whenever you want to. I think it's a pretty useful AI feature that can organize all your stuff and keep them in one place. Not just that, we've got a whole separate section for the AI features built right inside the Nord 6. We get AI search, AI writer, AI translate that helps you communicate across different languages. Then we have got AI voice scribe, which can help you record even your WhatsApp calls, and then it automatically transcribes and generates summary using AI. Then there is AI recorder, and obviously we also get circle to search feature. When you enable the AI search feature, this makes searching inside the settings or native apps a lot easier. So you can just type "my eyes are hurting" and it will show you the relevant options such as eye comfort. Similarly, if I search "my phone is not ringing," it will show you the options to turn off the silent mode. So the AI search comes in really handy when you're not able to find a specific setting. Apart from that, we also have the updated AI writer, and it is now well integrated when you're using social apps on your phone. For example, let's say if you want to post something on Instagram or Twitter, but you are struggling to find some nice caption, you can just hit on the AI writer and it automatically detects the picture to give you some suggestions based on that. So you can literally write some really good captions without manually doing anything. If we talk about the photo editing tools, we do get options like AI Recompass, AI Eraser that can remove unwanted objects, AI Detail Boost can improve the quality and resolution of your pictures, and AI Unblur can remove any blurry part in your photos. So these are some of the useful AI features you get on the Nord 6, and I'll highly suggest you to make use of these features to make the best out of your OnePlus phone. Since this phone runs OxygenOS 16, there is a lot to talk about the lock screen. Honestly, OnePlus phones have one of the best customizations related to the lock screen. When you press the side key and go to the lock screen, it looks absolutely stunning. You get a beautiful transparent lock screen clock with a frosted glass effect along with the widgets as well. If you want to customize a bit further, again go to the phone settings, select home screen and lock screen. Here you get the customization page where you get all the lock screen related options at the top, followed by some other home screen customizations. Not just that, when you swipe and move from one theme to another, you get this reflection right below that, which looks really cool. And when you just tap and select a theme that you like, you get more options here. First, you can choose from 3 different clock styles, and as you guys can see, there is an option to add widgets too. Even the widgets placement changes automatically depending on the clock design that you choose. You can add up to 8 different lock screen widgets. There is also this depth effect which you can enable or disable. You can obviously change the clock color and configure the lock screen shortcuts. Not just that, if you go inside the Flux theme, there are a lot of beautiful looking themes that will surely take your customization to the next level. There are themes with different quotes and motivations. If you want, you can also change the text on a specific theme. You can add your own text and personalize the lock screen as much as you want. You can also choose different fonts, and the way they have designed these gorgeous themes is just incredible. I mean, once you use any of these, you're definitely gonna keep staring at your lock screen for a while. Coming to the home screen, first let's start with the icons. Did you know with OxygenOS 16, the app icons are now scalable? You just need to press and hold on any icon and you get the option to resize it however you want to. It even lets you add shortcuts related to that specific app. I think this can be super useful at times, and the best part, it also works for third-party apps too. Not just that, we also have a brand new toggle that says Auto Dark Icons. Once you toggle this on, all your app icons will have a dark background, including the enlarged icons as well. So if you're someone who prefers using dark theme most of the time, then you're gonna love this little feature, and I'll definitely recommend you to turn this on right away. Another interesting option is now you can choose between 3 different layouts for the app folders. All you need to do is simply long press and you get the option to choose the layout that you like. Coming to the widgets, you can actually resize them in OxygenOS 16. So just long press and resize it according to your home screen layout. There are some really cool, good looking widgets they have recently added. So just go to the widgets section and browse through all the stack widgets. They do look really good on your home screen. They've also made some important changes here with the quick settings. First, when you tap on the edit button, now you can reposition the volume and brightness slider. There is also an option to add 2 additional big tiles at the top portion, and now it's been divided into 2 different sections. Then if you go inside the quick settings option, here you can choose between the classic and split view. But what's more interesting is now you can choose the multicolor option for the tiles. It adds different colors to your toggles and make it look attractive. That's pretty much it for this video. These are some of the useful tips, tricks and hidden features for your OnePlus Nord 6. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite OxygenOS 16 feature. And if you guys liked this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I'll see you guys in the next one.